very important that our hotel quarantine continues to be strong, that we have strong measures in place, and I want to thank all of those staff who are supporting us, our health workers, the Queensland Police Service, who are working with us on our hotel quarantine to ensure that we do contain this virus. We can also report that there are viral fragments detected in treatment plants located in 5 Greater Brisbane locations: Victoria Point, Oxley Creek, Goodna, Fairfield and Redcliffe, as well as Cairns North and Nambour. It is unknown if the positive results are as a consequence of new cases, cases that are still developing, or of course old cases where individuals are still shedding. Given the positive results from New South Wales, it is important that people continue to go get tested if they are experiencing any symptoms at all. We can report also today that it has been identified one overseas individual who arrived in Queensland on the 22nd of December has tested positive for the new South African variant. This will be the first positive case of the South African variant in Australia. We have seen other jurisdictions record a UK variant, but this is the first time the South African one has been identified in Australia. The positive news, the good news about this individual is that they were in hotel quarantine at the time they were tested, and they have since been transferred to a hospital, and we are absolutely confident that all proper measures were taken at the hotel and in the transfer, and of course at the hospital, in relation to this positive case. But what this positive case reaffirms is that it is really important that we maintain our strong hotel quarantine position. Anyone coming from overseas should expect that they will have to spend their 14 days in hotel quarantine or in hospital, that very few exemptions would be granted, because we are seeing an increased risk based on the positive cases overseas and the number of positive cases we are now getting returned to Australia, and of course this new variant. So we do ask that people who are travelling from overseas understand that those are the requirements. Of course they can make application, but they should expect that they would be spending the 14 days in quarantine.